They crank it up. So we go for a little drive. Click. Wait till you see this. You think you see it all, but it's the doctor, so you never know what to expect. Hello. Hello, Mr. Muggs. So, you going for a little drive? Why do you leave open the trunk lid? Yes, you heard me right. The trunk lid. And you thought it was a rear engine? It's a garbage cover. What do you think, Muggs? You like the trash? Lots of garbage. Recyclables. We got the dumpster. No problem. Oh boy, lots of flies in there. Okay. The doctor has to make the heave ho. Muggs, you gonna help me? Not talking to me, 'cause doesn't want to do the trash. Okay, he's the doctor. Goodbye.